Hi everyone, my name is Leo, and in this short video, I'm going to explain why the investment curve sloped downward into the long bull funds mode and what factor can shift this curve. I will also use a real-world example, the recent battery plant investments in Canada, to show how innovation vision and policy can affect business investment. Okay, let's start with long bull funds market. This diagram shows how saver and the investor interact in the economy. The blue line represents the supply of funds coming from household saving. The green line represents the demand for the funds, which come from firm borrowing to invest. On the vertical axis, we have the real interest rate, and the horizontal axis, the quantity of global funds. The instruction point, we are saving we are saving equal investment. And now let's focus on the investment curve. The investment curve shows how much film what to invest at different interest rates. It's a slope downward that means that the real interest rate rise, investment fall, and as the rate fall, investment rise. This happened because the higher interest rate make borrowing more expensive, reducing the number of profitable projects. When interest rates are lower, more projects become worthwhile, so investment increase. Now, let's see what cases the investment curve to shift. The curve shifts whenever firms willing to invest change at the given interest rate. On the left side, we see factor that shift curve to the right, meaning more investment at every rate. Technological innovation improve productivity and raises expected returns. Investment tax credit or subsidies reduce the cost of investment, and the optimistic expectations about the economy encourage firms to expand. On the right side, we have factors that shift the curve to the left. Economic uncertainty makes firms hesitant to invest. Higher corporate tax lower profitability, and the stricter regulation increase cost and risk. And let's apply to the real world. Battery plant investing in Canada in recent years. Both federal and the provincial governments have provided large subsidies that attract electric vehicle and battery manufacturers as Volkswagen and still attest. This incentive raises expects profit and confidence in the clean energy sector. And finally, let's talk about the role of saving. If the saving increase strongly with interest rate, then when investment and demand shift right, the equilibrium rate raise only slightly and investment expand more. But if saving is less responsibly, the equilibrium rates is increased a lot, limiting how much investment grow. So thanks for watching.